Hi, good afternoon everyone. I'm Jung Jae-hwa. You can call me Alicia. I'm here for only 2 months. When I arrived here, I was shocked because the weather was too wet and it rained a lot. Nevertheless, I have recently learned to love my life here in the Philippines. Because I really love chocolates, I was hooked by Philippine snacks. They are sweet and yummy. As a result, I gained more weight, about 3 kilograms. My presentation is entitled Paradise in the Philippines. My presentation contains personal experiences and adventures in the paradise island of Boracay. My sister came here 3 years ago. She also studied in this academy. I heard from her exciting things about Boracay. My sister and my friends recommended to have a vacation in Boracay. She told me that it has a nice beach, so most Koreans go there during vacation. Therefore, I decided to experience it myself. Boracay is an island found in the Visayas region. It is one of the world's most popular tourist destinations. Boracay has beautiful white sand, and the color of sea is like an emerald. It has a lot of stunning attraction sites, and there are many foreigners, especially Koreans, who frequently spend their vacation there. My personal experiences are so special. As I walked on the sand barefooted, see palm trees, and hear the gushing sound of the waves, I began to think that life is beautiful. I appreciated how wonderful our environment was, away from the busy life in the city. Let me share with you the activities we enjoyed in Boracay. On our first day, we did island hopping and snorkeling. It was really an amazing experience for me because in spite of my inability to swim, I was able to see some beautiful corals and different kinds of small fish. We also visited the Crystal Cove Island and took some shots at the wonderful sceneries of the island as a remembrance. The next day, we rode a breathtaking banana boat together with Monica, my friend and family. I wasn't nervous about it because it was safe. I had fun, and it was something I will never forget. Our next adventure was quite thrilling. We tried parasailing. Some said that it is dangerous and a lot of accidents happened, but they were wrong. During that time, I was on my element. To float in the sky and see the entire Paradise Island was like I was in the cloud 9 or in the 7th heaven. My friends and I did not waste a single second in Boracay. We definitely had the chance to ride a jet ski. Lady drove it and I was the passenger. I really had butterflies in my stomach during those times because my friend was a terrible driver. I fell down a couple of times, but the splash of the water and the rapture we shared made it a great time of our lives. After that, we set off to another adventure, and it is called helmet diving. We put on the helmet that supplies oxygen for us to breathe underwater. We dived at the shallow part of the ocean together with professional divers. They guided us down. Then, one person took pictures and a video. We also feed We also fed the fish with some bread. I was very happy and I found the fish super cute. A few hours later, we tried a sailing boat. My friend and I were excited to try another experience. We sailed by the coast through the wind. Some activities we had were driving a small car and climbing up to the top of Boracay's tower. When we reached the top, it was as if I was on the top of the world. The views were amazing and mind-blowing. There are many great things about Boracay, not only about water sports and some exciting activities, but also the food. Seafood are popular in Boracay, but I recommend you try eating at those mysterious restaurants. I tasted one of the most delicious sandwiches in the world in that place. Lastly, our stay in Boracay would have never been completed without a beautiful and comfortable accommodation. The hotel was simple yet clean, and the ambience was peaceful. We enjoyed it very much. In our room, we took crazy photographs. Each one of us took turns. We really liked what we were doing. Taking funny shots truly unlocked our artistic skills. I had amazing adventures in Boracay that I would truly remember and treasure for the rest of my life. In addition to this presentation, I also will surely miss a lot of things in CNC. I will miss my classes because I have kind-hearted and humorous tutors who helped me along the way. I got to share with them some of my first times in this country. I am very grateful and ecstatic to have tutors who were generous enough to share their knowledge and patience with me. Before I leave for Korea, allow me to thank all of you. Thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. We may not see each other for a long time, but I wish you all good luck in your endeavors. Now I dare say this. I had fun in the Philippines.
Questions from the audience?
No.
Would you consider Philippines one of the best places in the world?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Why?
Because Philippines is a great country because it has amazing tourist spots like Boracay. In addition, I think the most important thing is people. Filipinos are generally kindness based on my experience. I had a great times here because the beautiful places and the people. Thank you.
Very well said.